What up? You know what time it is? So last time you saw, we were having to make some adjustments and cuts and things. And first thing I'm gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and cut our bumper so we can have more room for air to flow into our intercooler. This is just not gonna help us at all. So we're gonna cut it and make more room. So you measure, and prepare, because you only get one chance to cut it. That's how it is. That's what I'm gonna have to go by. Let's see if I can get it straight. There you go. Plenty of room for activities. Yeah, we're gonna get more airflow in now that way without that centerpiece all up in there. We've got a bumper up in there that needs to come out so we can have more airflow because we're gonna do vertical radiator. I'm gonna take that bumper off and open it up. That's cool, man. That looks real cool. I like it, I'm very happy. So there you have it. I cut out the bumper. We've got plenty of room for an intercooler now, plenty of airflow for the radiator behind that because it's going to be vertical mount. And that's going to keep that K24, that Honda 4-cylinder in there, nice and cool with nice cold air force fed to it. So clean it up with a Dremel here and there on these little edges and stuff, but I'm really happy. I always wanted to cut it out anyway because I knew I was going to turbocharge it. But thank you for you guys for subscribing. It's nice to know that people are following along with the project, and I'm stoked just as much as you are. So until then, we'll see you next time.